beautiful people, so this is a lovely piece of tofu, and yes, I know what you might be thinking.
That dry looking piece of tofu? No. That is not going to taste like jerk. Who are you fooling? Because it is not me.
Trust me, it generally is really good. So for starters, I double froze my tofu, defrosted it, drained the water, cut it into slices and put it back in the container. Now onto the spice blend. We are essentially using half a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, thyme. I actually did 2 teaspoons of sugar, pimento powder, chili flakes, cinnamon, turmeric, ginger and cumin. And then we're just going to give that a lovely mix, making sure there are no lumps and bumps. Then we're going to add not 1, not 2, but 3 tablespoons of corn flour. To be honest, you could do 2 tablespoons because there was quite a bit left over, but I just saved mine for later. And then yeah, just put your tofu in and make sure everything is evenly coated. Try not to break it since it's quite delicate. But yeah, dust off the excess and then we're going to pop it to the side because we're going to do our jerk sauce blend. So we have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, then we're going to do about 5 cloves of garlic, a little piece of red onion, no I'm just kidding, a whole red onion, a generous handful of green onions or scallions, head of ginger, a half teaspoon of salt, a nice generous shake of thyme, honestly only about 3 pimento seeds, I did way too much, half teaspoon of black pepper, then we're going to do half teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of browning. Yeah, so I clearly missed that, but I say roughly about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and another tablespoon of sesame seed oil, because we're bougie. Not really, because I ran out of olive oil. But yeah, just blend everything up until this is nice and smooth. To be honest, when I tasted it after, I did add in a little bit more salt and then a generous squeeze of maple syrup. You're going to add oil to a pan and then fry up your tofu. So you're going to cook your tofu for 1.5 minutes on each side. The tofu should be nice and crispy because of the corn flour. Ooh, close-ups, nice. But yeah, once you've flipped it, just take it out of the pan and pop it to the side. So now we're going to pour in the jerk sauce into a griddle pan. Then I just placed the tofu in the sauce and then cooked it for 1.5 minutes each side. And you'll have some really lovely chard marks on your tofu. And essentially that is it. Once you've flipped it, you can plate it up. I served mine with some plantain, rice and peas and a lovely side salad, which was just cucumbers because that's all I had. So that was the jerk tofu recipe. Honestly, super simple and very easy to make. I swear, even when I dished it out to my parents, they were shocked that it was tofu because they haven't had tofu that was not mushy and not bland and not nice tasting. But yeah, that's it from me. All that's left for you to do is like, comment and subscribe down below. Thanks.